Bringing it to the boxing action. 3 rounds, 2 minutes each. Making their way to the blue corner, Blake Mellor.
Here we go then, Blake Mellor making his way into the ring.
And following to the ring, making his way to the red corner, Martin Phillips. Bringing it back, reintroducing in the blue corner, representing a Revolution, Blake Mellor. And in the red corner, representing Undisputed Fight Academy, let me hear it for Martin Phillips.
This should be a good one. I think I've seen Martin fight before, if I'm not wrong.
I think it's going to be some big shots in this, like 2 heavy hitters, so I am looking forward to it, I'll tell you that.
100%. Here we go.
Round 1.
Here we go, right then. See, Blake's got that height advantage.
I have seen Phillips fight. I recognise the tattoo on his back. Oh, straight shots there from Blake.
Just slipped through the guard of Martin Phillips, my bad.
Oh. Phillips is taking some heavy shots. He's tough.
He is. He's just walking into them, he's just walking through them.
Yeah, very tough.
See Phillips there just throwing that body shot, trying to get over the top as well. But Blake just direct, straight through the centre of that guard. Big body shot, yeah.
That will take its toll. Phillips' corner asking him to go to the body. Again.
I feel like Blake might be feeling his body shots.
Yeah. People might not realise because they cause less damage, but they take the toll.
Big shot there from Phillips.
Phillips working that body now. I reckon it's only a matter of time.
I think he's found it. He's found the body, but he needs to keep his hands up though.
And his head up. Oh, he's working some lovely shots in there now, listening very well.
He's taking it out, yeah, he's taking it all out of Blake. Big body shot again.
I'd like to see him fake the body and go up to the head now.
Yeah, I think he's got to go up top there.
What a round. Stop backing off at the words to Phillips there from his corner man.
Yeah, I think Chris just wants to see him lay it on him. Just keep going forwards. I mean, I don't know if it is the best approach, but I'd like to see it. Over in the blue corner though, Blake, he looks a bit drained, he looks tired.
You would be. He's keeling over a little bit.
Yeah, he's kind of shaking his head a bit. I don't know, I don't think he wants it.
Might call this off now. Let's see. No. The referee's having a talking to him as well.
And there it is. It's been called off. So your winner will be Martin Phillips.
And Chris and Phillips are none of the wiser at the moment, still taking instructions.
Seconds out.
Chris in shock. Chris is confused.
Congratulations to Phillips. Heartbreaking.
Yeah, I think it was that body shot there.
Yeah.
That body shot might have just done it, and he kept working on it, used it to his advantage, he went for it, so.
Ladies and gentlemen, your winner is in the red corner, Martin Phillips.
Congratulations to Phillips. Quick night in the office, never easy though.
And please give it up for Blake Mellor.